Service in Tulsa has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for western Craig County in northeastern Oklahoma, Rogers County in northeastern Oklahoma, northwestern Mays County in northeastern Oklahoma, southern Washington County in northeastern Oklahoma, southern Nowata County in northeastern Oklahoma, northwestern Wagner County in northeastern Oklahoma, eastern Tulsa County in northeastern Oklahoma until 10:15 a.m. Central Standard Time. At 9:26 a.m. Central Standard Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 6 miles southwest of Delaware to 4 miles south of Oregon, 4 miles north of Bixby, moving northeast at 40 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 70 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect considerable tree damage. Wind damage is also likely to mobile homes, roofs, and outbuildings. Locations in or near the path include Broken Arrow, Collinsville, Waukegan, Vera, Talala, Chelsea, Jenks, White Oak, Soil, Bushes Head, Owasso, New Alu, Hollow, River Grease, Delaware, Tulsa, Claremont, Tulsa International Airport, Nowata, Oregon. This includes Interstate 44 between mile markers 223 and 272. Remain alert for a possible tornado. Tornadoes can develop quickly from severe thunderstorms. If you spot a tornado, go at once into the basement or small central room in the security structure. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Intense thunderstorm lines can produce brief tornadoes and widespread significant wind damage. Significant property damage. Service in Tulsa has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for western Haskell County in southeastern Oklahoma, McIntosh County in southeastern Oklahoma, northwestern Sequoia County in east central Oklahoma, northwestern Latimer County in southeastern Oklahoma, southeastern Wagner County in northeastern Oklahoma, western Cherokee County in east central Oklahoma, northeastern Pittsburgh County in southeastern Oklahoma, Muskogee County in east central Oklahoma, until 10:30 a.m. Central Standard Time. At 9:40 a.m. Central Standard Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 3 miles northwest of Porter to 2 miles northwest of Chakota to 3 miles north of Krebs, moving east at 40 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts and nickel-size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations in or near the path include Rayford, Whitefield, Summit, Pumpkin Center, Weber's Falls, Fort Gibson, Plum, Braggs, Oakay, Pierce, Lake Eufaula State Park, Gore, Lake Tentula State Park, Keithman, Tallahassee, Hulbert, Briartown, Wagoner, Blucker, Robbers Cave State Park. This includes Interstate 40 in Oklahoma between mile markers 253 and 291. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. A tornado watch remains in effect until noon Central Standard Time for southeastern, northeastern, and east central Oklahoma. Tornado watch number 1 Leah, Kiowa, Inola, Broken Arrow. This includes Service in Tulsa Tulsa has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Craig County in northeastern Oklahoma, eastern Rogers County in northeastern Oklahoma, northwestern Delaware County in northeastern Oklahoma, western Ottawa County in northeastern Oklahoma, northern Mayes County in northeastern Oklahoma, until 10:45 a.m. Central Standard Time. At 10:01 a.m. Central Standard Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 6 miles west of Welch to 5 miles west of Adela to near Kiowa, moving northeast at 45 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts and nickel-sized hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations in or near the path include Pensacola, Geneva, Commerce, Cherokee State Park, Bernice State Park, Langley, Snowdale State Park, Disney Little Blue State Park, Pitcher, Big Cabin, Strang, Hoot Owl, Clear, Cloeta, Pryor Creek, White Oak, Welch, Fairland, Bernice, Adair. This includes Interstate 44 between mile markers 264 and 312. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. A tornado watch remains in effect until noon Central Standard Time for northeastern Oklahoma. A severe thunderstorm warning remains in effect until 10:15 a.m. Central Oklahoma. Service in Tulsa has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Haskell County in southeastern Oklahoma, Sequoia County in east central Oklahoma, northwestern Latimer County in southeastern Oklahoma, Adair County in northeastern Oklahoma, northwestern LaFleur County in southeastern Oklahoma, southeastern Cherokee County in east central Oklahoma, southeastern Muskogee County in east central Oklahoma, until 11 a.m. Central Standard Time. At 10:22 a.m. Central Standard Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 4 miles northwest of Lake Peninsular State Park to 3 miles northwest of Stigler to 5 miles west of Robbers Cave State Park, moving northeast at 60 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts and nickel-sized hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. The severe thunderstorm warning for western Haskell, McIntosh, northwestern Sequoia, northwestern Latimer, southeastern Wagoner, western Cherokee. To an interior room on the lowest floor of a The National Weather Service in Pleasant Hill has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Clinton County in northwestern Missouri, eastern Clay County, Ray County, southeastern Caldwell County, until 5:45 p.m. At 4:55 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Hull to near Kearney to Glaucoma, moving northeast at 50 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Kansas City, Liberty, Excelsior Springs, Kearney, Lawson, Glaucoma, Bramer, Polo, Glenair, Holt, Breckenridge, Crystal Lakes, Kingston, Missouri City, Cowville, Excelsior Estates, River Bend, Woods Heights, Rayville, and Mosby. This includes Interstate 35 in Missouri between mile markers 19 and 38. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 5:45 p.m. for the following counties in Missouri: Caldwell, Clay, Clinton, and Ray. The severe thunderstorm warning to 20 miles an hour in the afternoon. National Weather Service in Fort Worth has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for East Central Hamilton County in Central Texas, North Central Corio County in Central Texas, Southern Bosque County in Central Texas, until 2:15 p.m. Central Standard Time. At 1:23 p.m. Central Standard Time, a severe thunderstorm was located 9 miles south of Cranfalls Gap, or 14 miles north of Gatesville, moving northeast at 45 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Clifton, Meridian, Laguna Park, Valley Mills, Cranfalls Gap, Meridian State Park, Lake Whitney, Cedar Shores, Lakewood Harbor, Norse, Curse Springs, Pancake, Coyote, Womack, Jonesboro, Lakeside Village, Mosheim, Turnersville, and Whiteway. For your protection, get inside a sturdy structure and stay away from windows. Now let's check waves occasionally around. The National Weather Service in Binghamton has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Yates County, Steuben County, until 5:30 p.m. At 4:36 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from Honey Oighton near St. Bonaventure, moving east at 40 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Hornell, Bath, Penn Yan, Starkey, Campbell, Benton, Urbana, Canisteo, Potter, and Wayland. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. The Nearshore Marine Forecast.